For many DIY projects, we do need masks and respirators. This coronavirus catches everyone off guard. If you're trying to get them from Home Depot or Lowe's, you will be out of luck. Everywhere is out of stock. In this video, I am going to show you my tips on where to buy them. Not just for DIY projects, but also in case you need to protect your family from getting the virus. We will kill two birds with one stone. Then we will try to make our own hand sanitizer. Sounds exciting? Let's get started. Today is in March 2020. I am able to buy this contractor grade N95 from a local store. I only got 2 boxes because that's what I was allowed to buy. They are N95 with a valve in the middle. One box has 10 of them and is about $15 Canadian. So is $1.50 each. They are made in China. This is the detailed spec if you're interested. The trick is to avoid shopping at Home Depot or Lowe's because everyone knows about it. The keywords you need to know are local safety supplies, local building supplies, and local industrial supplies. Some of these places are family owned. That's where you need to go. For many DIY jobs, such as oil-based painting and welding, you need P100. This is the respirator. I have it for many years. This is way more superior than N95. I am not going into details on the difference between the two. There are so many information on the internet already. Just Google it. For sure, it can block coronavirus, but I am surprised that actually no one is buying this from the local hardware store. As you can see, they still got tons of stock at Canadian Tire. If we are talking about pandemic and lockdown, one day you may need this on the street. I bought another set from Amazon for my wife to help out on our future DIY projects. Also, I got additional filter too. This is an alternative if you cannot find any N95 for your woodworking and DIY projects. Why not? If you insist on shopping online during this pandemic period, avoid Amazon, eBay, and Kijiji, because a lot of these third-party sellers are not very honest. They either give you very poor quality masks or they jack up the price 10 times. The keyword you need is online industrial supply. Granger, Canada is one of them. Unfortunately, many items are on back order, but they are trustable and the price is fair. Now, pay attention to the red color tags here. They don't actually have a date on when they are going to ship it out. The trick here is to look for items that don't have the warning if you want it fast. I found one respirator that you can change the N95 filter. That's very innovative. They don't have the warning, so I ordered one and also got some replacement filters too. The face mask arrived in just 2 days and the replacement filters arrived 1 week later. Let's open the box and check this out. It is N95 approved. It is made by a company called North Safety Products. Indeed, Honeywell bought their parent company a while ago, so they are high-quality, trustable products. This is very innovative. You can open it just like that and replace the filter. But how effective or how comfortable is it? I don't know. I haven't tried out yet. These are the N95 replacement filters. One box contains 20 pieces. I bought 2 boxes, so totally there are 40 of them. One box is $27 Canadian. It's about $1.35 each. Not too bad for woodworking and DIY projects. Couple weeks ago, I was shopping at the local Korean supermarket and there were some made in Korea masks called KF94. They are very expensive. It's about $3 Canadian each. I bought 4 of them just for the sake of the virus. Not really useful for my DIY projects, but what the hell. I went there a couple days ago, they were all gone. I was lucky enough to buy a bottle of Perel from the local drugstore, but I don't think it will last very long. This is the empty bottle. It's a good idea to make my own hand sanitizer. The recipe is extremely simple. The information is all available on the internet. All you need is 2 parts of alcohol and 1 part of aloe gel. All you do is to mix the 2 together in 2:1 ratio. Then shake it up, baby. This is not as thick as Perel, which is okay, but don't add more aloe gel to make it thicker. There will be 2 problems. First, it will be very sticky on your hand. Second, it will not pass the fire burning test. I will show you a little bit later. I am making another one. If you have the aloe gel comes in a container, you have to do it this way. You may ask, where do I get the aloe gel? Well, for me, I stole it from my wife. What does she use it for? I have no clue. I think something to do with cosmetic. To make sure the hand sanitizer kills the virus, we need to test if our end product has enough alcohol content or not. It is possible there are human mistakes. You have added too much aloe gel. The test is pretty simple. All you have to do is to start a fire with a lighter. The one on the left is burning. That's great. Now, let's test the one on the right. Nope, it is not burning. Failed. So, I fixed it by adding more alcohol. Let's test it again. Bingo, it burns. For the control experiment, we need to test Perel. Let's light it up. Yep, as expected, it burns. This is it for the coronavirus special. I hope this helps. Give this a thumbs up if you find some good information in this video. If you love DIY and home improvement, remember to check out other videos on my channel. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.